Right, so I did 2 seasonings. So I did, let me just wrap it yesterday. So this one is more of a, what's it called? Cajun, peri-peri. This is more like a peri-peri type of chicken style. Yeah. It actually smells really, really good. So this is more of a peri-peri style of chicken. So I'm just gonna put this here and put it on the tray. Sauce. Body sauce. That's one tray. So I've got another tray, and then I've got this chicken. So this is more of a barbecue base chicken, yeah? So this has got more of a flavor, this has got more of a barbecue flavor. The other one had more of a peri-peri flavor. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna put the chicken onto this side. No particular order. This tray is slightly smaller than the other tray, so get this one here. Then we've got all the sauce. Just gonna pour it over. We don't want the chicken to be dry, you know. Right. So that is that. So chicken. Put the chicken, 1 onion, right, so here we are. So I've wrapped it in film. And this is it. It did kind of rise just a tiny bit, but just not enough. If you guys can see, yeah, it kind of did. You can see the little bubbles coming through. I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert at making this, so I always do. I don't ever measure, but maybe that's the problem. So I'm just gonna put the pan here. And then I've got so I've got the flour, I've got my soda baking, and then I just got on the side is just blue block with tissue. And yeah, so we are basically waiting for the oil, and then we are good to go. So we're gonna do an oil test. So you basically make sure you wash your hands. You have to wash your hand properly, and then you want to kind of keep like, you just wash your hand properly, and then you just dip it. We're just gonna do like a taste. Just pour it in there. The oil is not hot enough yet, yeah? You can see it's just bubbling. It's just not hot enough.
well done with the batch.
So the puff puffs are done, and this is the result. This is perfect for breakfast. Whenever we have an occasion, we always like to make these just as a side dish. The kids, the children, they love it. It's so yummy and delicious, and it goes with everything. And here is the chicken, the barbecue chicken, and Makata, the peri peri chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this over into a pot, and then I'm going to take it over to the party. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content like this and you enjoy my quick and easy recipes, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. Let's grow together, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What are we going to cook next?